Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a computer program that can take a simple decision. If we are going to give it some code and our program will decide whether it wants to run it or not. So let me show you guys what I am talking about. I'll type the syntax first and right now I'm showing you a basic structure of it. So what do? You write a keyword if and after that two parentheses. In between those parentheses we are gonna be giving it some sort of test, and we'll just make them really simple, like check if a number is equal to another number, or check if one number is less than another number. So these test is kind of confusing, but I'll show you guys some real basic one. Now after that, put two curly brackets and any code that's in between. Your brackets is going to run only if that test is true. So let me give you an actual example so that this makes sense. We will test something really easy, like the number 5 is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. Well, we know that it is. So in this case, it would run whatever code is right here, like print and we will put like GeekyBrain. So whenever we print this, it prints out GeekyBrain. So GeekyBrain. So what your computer had done is it tests this is 5 is less than 10. Yes, it is. So now it prints GeekyBrain because the test is true. So now I'll tell you the instance where the test would be false, and I'll tell you about the different type of uh, test you can do. Well, right now you can do less than or you can do greater than. So if we uh, print 5 is greater than 10, which is not true, a false statement, any code that goes here will print nothing. So if we run this, it does not say false, it will print true statement for the first line. So even though we type this line of code in our program, it doesn't print out because we gave a test and it made a decision not to run it. Now before I give you a real example, I want to tell you the different type of test that you can use. Of course, you knew less than, greater than. There is also greater than or equal to. And this case is like if you want to test someone who want to enter a website whose age is greater than or equal to 18. There's also less than or equal to. And another one is you can test if two numbers are equal to each other. Now, whenever you do this, you actually use two equal signs. And the reason you don't use one equal sign in computer programming, because remember when you are making variables and assigning values to variables, you are like x is equals to 10 or something, and one sign in C programming means assign a value to a variable. Two equal signs means one value is equal to another. So just remember that you will get used to it after a while. It's very simple. Now, only test I want to talk to you guys about is not equal to. It's basically the opposite of equal to. This is not equal to sign. Suppose 5 is not equal to 5, it's going to be true in every instance except 5. So now let me give you an example. If you put not equal to sign except 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 are true. Now let me give you an actual example of making a decision. Here I am making a program where a user will enter his age, and if they are above 18 or at 18, they are allowed to enter the website, and if not, they does not enter the website. So int age, then we have to give a prompt printf how old are you. And of course, if we are asking them question, then we probably should give them area to write into. So scanf %d, comma, ampersand age. Now we have user age. We have to test this. So to do that, we need a if statement with two parentheses. Here I am writing age is greater than or equal to 18, then curly brackets, printf you may enter this website. If we run this, it will ask how old are you. I'll put 25, enter. You may enter this website. I'll put 25 and that is greater than 18, so that's why it is giving you may enter this website. Now another if statement where age is less than or equal to 18, printf you cannot enter this website. So if we run this, it will ask how old are you. I'll put 13. You cannot enter this website. Here it will take this part. So this is how we make our program more interactive. I hope you understand how to make decision using if statement. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and do subscribe my channel.